Welcome back, friends. I am showing you how to get multiple images using DAL-E OpenAI API from the ChatGPT. So what you need to do is there is an n parameter which you need to tweak so that you wanted desired number of images from the system. So right now I have hard coded to 1, 2, 3. If I say 2, it will provide me 2 images here itself. So let me show you what it did. If let's say I mobile handset in one hand of a blind man. Let's say I am typing something which I am trying to understand if it does. So it should return me 2 images as per my information. Yeah. So he is the blind man, you see, and he is showing the mobile handset. So what it does is generally actually it on the fly creates the image whatever prompt you are sending, and I said I need 2 images of 256 by 256. Why? Because as I told you, images size should always be in the 3 sizes, square sizes, 256, 512 or 1024. So I clicked on generate. It has responded with 2 images. I can get 3 images also if you want. Let's see, but this time it will respond with different blind minds, I think. Let's see. Yeah, you see, this is the different people actually. So the code is very straightforward.